And just when I thought, in my last video, I said we can breathe. Remember? You remember I told you I was like, breathe, breathe. Finally, our pairs are here. Congrats to everybody that was able to cop. And guess what? Now there's more drama regarding these kicks because there's been multiple orders that's been canceled. We're talking about by Champs, JD, Finish Line, Hibbets, Snipes, right? Maybe not Hibbets, but Snipes. But there's been multiple orders that's been canceled. They're handing out like a gift card, like an e-gift card as an like an apology, which I think is, you know, it's a kind gesture. But at the end of the day, these ended up being worse than the lost and founds. And we're gonna talk about it. All right, so you already know what we have here. We're gonna have the Air Jordan 4 Bred Reimagined. This is the leather pair. This has been the pair that so far, hey, for 2024, definitely a very exciting shoe to have in hand. And even though they released a lot of pairs of these, it seems like these are becoming just much more of a harder and harder cop due to the cancellations that happened. But let's, you know what, we're gonna go ahead and start off with the box. You take a look at that box there, and we just see that cement speckled all over the top of the box there. We have that Nike Air on the corner, red Jumpman with the Flight as well. On the inside of the box, you see that we have that red interior, and you know, it complements, you know, the box very well. Before they kind of did a little flip-flop. So before, that cement was on the bottom half and the top was black, and now it's just reverse. More importantly, let's take a look at this shoe. Now look, I'm gonna tell you right now, in hand, this shoe just looks better and better to me. And there's been a lot of controversy about whether you like the OGs or if you like the Reimagined, if you like the suede or the leather. Look, that comes down to personal preference. It comes down to what you like. Me personally, I like these joints, and these joints are hot, and it's a highly sought after shoe. I mean, flat out. But let's take a look at this. We have that black netting, that web there. We have the gray outlets there with the black strap, the Nike Air on the back. Overall, this is just a very clean kick. Very clean kick. And that tab that we have here on the back, this tab is actually different. This tab is different. I do not have the SB 4s, the pine green SBs. I don't have them, but I have seen videos that show that this tab right here is, this rubber is a whole lot softer. And just to kind of show you the comparison there, here goes the red cements, and maybe you can even hear it. So let me go ahead and get up to the mic. But if you can hear that tab there, if you can hear the difference in these tabs here, man, I'm gonna tell you right now, this is way tougher than this one. You can just tell how that flexes there. And so as far as comfort, you know, these actually feel a whole lot better on the foot. This right here is a size 14. I was able to hit on 2 pairs. Go ahead and watch my old video about how to reserve a sneaker at DSG, Dick's Sporting Goods, because look, when I went to go pick these up from one location, the Park Meadows location, let me tell you what was dope. There were a bunch of people standing outside that noticed me, they saw me, and it was like, yo, what's good? You know, because I always say holla at me, you know, whenever you see me out there in the streets. But I actually help people cop this silhouette, which is in person, which is dope, because now that pairs had gotten canceled, for the people that actually put in the footwork and went to the stores and put in the, you know, the legwork, man, congrats. Overall, that's a pretty dope cop. It's a pretty dope cop. But one of the reasons why I actually said that this sneaker is actually worse than the lost and founds, and I was talking to Wear Your Kicks 26 about this. One of the reasons why we agreed that this is actually a worse drop than the lost and founds, because at least with the lost and founds, the app crashed, right? It was a big old crash, and you couldn't even log into the app, and you know, by the time everything was all said and done, you just missed out on a sneaker. So at least you was really able to process that L right there on spot. Well, with these in particular, you know, because they are saying that they were oversold, right? It was an oversell issue. Because these were oversold, you know, imagine you getting that Gotham or that EA or, you know, that online dub, and that's the only dub you have, right? Because you feel confident that, you know, you got this dub, and then all of a sudden, man, that's messed up. I ain't gonna lie. That is messed up. All of a sudden, you didn't get it. These originally come with black laces. You know me. There's 1,000 videos about these kicks. So I waited a couple of days. Wanted to put a little bit of footwork in, give you a little bit of scenery. It originally comes with the black laces. Enjoy that lace swap. Let me know in the comment section down below a couple of things. Let me know if you was able to cop. Let me know if you like these better than the OGs. You know, what do you like better, the suede or the leather? Let me know if your order got canceled. Let me know if you had any issues copping these in person in store, because there was an issue, not just online, but there's been issues even in store. But let me know overall down below what you think about these kicks. I'm excited to have them. I mean, the materials on here is, I mean, I'm not even gonna lie to you. The materials in here are dope. Man, it's nice and soft. Man, it's a dope kick. It's a dope kick. Guys, I appreciate everything. We just broke that 1,000 subscriber mark. I'm gonna tell you right now, you guys are awesome. And enjoy the next video. I love y'all. We out.